Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. If you are looking for a floor plan for a couples coach that's going to give you an indoor and outdoor kitchen with a large rear bath with a double vanity, then the 25 RBP is going to be for you. Let's take a look. Now, just because this is a couples coach does not mean you can't entertain all your friends at amazing destinations. Here we are on this outdoor kitchen. You're gonna start off right away noticing a lot of counter space with this pull-out drawer that's gonna extend that counter use. You also have a large shelf that will span the entire width of this door. You also have electrical outlets and LED lighting, so you can utilize this kitchen in the evening, and you're also gonna come standard and equipped with this dorm-size refrigerator. Well, everybody, I'm 6'3", 250 pounds, and I fit comfortably in this shower. Again, this is a couples coach designed to give you a lot of space in this rear bath. You're gonna have a shower that, again, will fit somebody my size. You have plenty of room around the toilet. Here's what I really like when we talk about the vanity. You have not one, but two sinks, as well as two medicine cabinets, giving you a ton of storage in this rear bath. The nice upgrade that I like, these mirrored inserts to allow you to get ready at your destination. Also, while you're here, you can never have enough storage, so you have these built-in linen closets. Very, very nice, and these shelves can give you all the room that you need to store everything on your trip. All right, everybody, so coming out, I love the pocket door that was chosen. As you can tell, this is a very residential look and feel, so credit to the design team. So immediately as we work our way up, I want to talk about your dinette. This is going to be immediately when you walk into this floor plan. It's going to seat and accommodate up to 4 adults comfortably. You have this nice window here that will give you natural light in the mornings, as well as this window will open to give you a natural cross breeze so you don't have to rely on that AC. Directly above the window is where you're going to find your mount for the TV prep, and as you can tell by the label, 55-inch TV will fit in this area. Also, this is where your entertainment center is going to be relative to your radio that will have pass-through HDMI and USB as well. All right, everybody, so now we're here in this slide box. I want to talk about this sectional sofa that's giving you a chase lounge as well as a tri-fold sofa that will expand out to a bed to accommodate 2 adults to sleep comfortably in the evenings. As we continue talking about this slide box, you're going to notice this massive window. Again, natural light, the window opens, getting that nice cool breeze. You'll notice too that in this floor plan there is no carpet. What you have in this slide box is a marine grade woven fabric. This is going to mitigate against odor, debris, and moisture. We talk about utility. You can never have enough storage, even though that this is a couples coach. You have this very large pantry. All of these shelves are removable to adjust and accommodate whatever you require specific to your packing needs. Also, what you'll find here in this slide box is your 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. This is the refrigerator that you're going to want should you go to a destination that does not have shore power. So as we continue going through this floor plan, I now want to talk about the kitchen, which is across from that massive slide box. Here you've got a nice raised countertop. Notice it's that nice beveled soft edge, no sharp corners. They're hitting on what's trending, light in color, neutral wood tones. So let's talk first, again, what's most important, your storage. On these upper cabinets, they're utilizing that look of that residential feel with the nice glass inserts. They're deep and they span the entire width of this entire kitchen. Your cabinetry and storage continues down below the counter with this nice spice rack, these nice pull-out drawers on roller-bearing guides, very easy to operate. And yes, you even have storage underneath your sink. And speaking of the sink, you have a very large farmhouse-style sink with this raised high-rise faucet. This is going to allow you to be able to wash large pots and pans. Also, you notice the counter space, very large, and it's not restricted by your 3-burner stove because you get a glass top to extend use. Also notice how much room you have because these upper cabinets are mounted so high. Now, of course, you are also going to get a microwave as standard. So coming up here to the master suite is where you're going to find another pocket door. So you don't have just a sheet hanging here, you actually have a door for privacy. Behind that pocket door is where you're going to find this massive wardrobe closet, giving you plenty of storage and utility for everything, again, that you need on your camping trip. So you'll notice you have a lot of storage around this bed. This isn't a normal bed. North Trail is giving you a king size bed. So around that perimeter, you're going to have wardrobe closets on both sides. Again, the nice glass inserts give you a very residential feel here in your master suite. On both sides of the king size bed, you also have these elongated nightstands, ideal for storing those CPAP devices or any accessory items that you want to bring with you to that destination. So if you like what you see in the all-new 25 RBP floor plan, there's many additional features that you need to look at. So go to heartlandrvs.com for more information.